Welcome to PCDOTS Solutions. In this video, we will introduce the effortless way to export EML files into IMAP account. Let's start by downloading PCDOTS EML Converter on our machines. Now, go to the Open tab. Software support mini email client and file format, choose as per your requirement. First, go to the Open tab and select an EML files option in the software panel. Pick the required EML folder containing useful information from the system and click on Select Folder. Wait, the software is analyzing the EML mailboxes. The tool lists all the EML mailboxes in the software interface. Now, please tap on the email and get its preview in the software interface. This way you can preview the EML email message with all the properties and elements such as email properties, signature, sender information, and more. If that EML mail includes attachments, this tool allows you to open, save, and save all in one tap. So, choose as per the requirements. The Export tab gives you multiple options to save email message into standard formats. The Extract tab helps you to take out email addresses, attachments, phone number and more from the emails. So, let's click on the Export tab and select IMAP option. Then, mark the required folder and unmark the rest. Now, let's understand the advanced functions of the tool one by one. The first is to create empty folders. Please disable this option so that you can avoid creating empty folders. Next is an include email header. We recommend you to disable this option to remove headers from your output data to reduce output file size. The last one is appended to default folders. This option is basically for the mapping of the folders such as inbox to inbox, sent to sent and more. It allows user to insert emails into default mail folders. Now, enter the name of the folder that you want to create in IMAP account containing EML emails in the Backup Folder Name tab. Then, fill the email address, password, of your IMAP account. Fill the server address and port number of your IMAP account. After all, click on the Save button to start the process of EML to IMAP account migration. The utility provides live migration in the software panel, as you can see. After some time, a complete conversion message pop-ups on your screen as shown in the video. The demo edition of the software allows you to export only 10 items from EML to IMAP account. Click on the OK button. Finally, go to your IMAP account. As you can see, there is a folder named as exported. Click on it and go to mailboxes. Tap on it and get the EML emails with all properties. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment box. To watch more videos, please subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.